Hi guys, this is Larissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm excited to share with you my setup for my undated daily planner from Goldmine and CoCo. This was included in the subscription box that we got late last year, and this will be my first actual time using it. I've been saving it for the beginning of the year, but this is really my first week of using it. So I'm going to be setting up for the week of January the 18th through the 24th. And I will be utilizing some stickers to commemorate this special week. Martin Luther King Day is on the 18th, so I printed out a picture of him and cut it out on some sticker paper. In addition to that, Vice President-elect Kamala Harris will be sworn into office on the 20th, as well as President-elect Joe Biden. So I have this sticker kit from Goldmine and CoCo. It's called VP Kamala USA, and it's a 5-page sticker kit that we pre-order. So I'm excited to do that. In addition, I have some leftover stickers from my Oso paper Kamala Harris Madam VP collection, and I'll be happy to use those. In addition, from the Cyber Sale Monday sale, I have my Curvy Girl collections that I'm excited to use. I'll be using these 4 to 5 stickers in this setup. I may possibly use the trunk stickers that were also included in this collection too. There was some weekly sticker kits along with painting that was included, but I'm not for sure if I'll use that. And on the side there, I have one of the pages for the calendar that was given to us that day as well. And I also have my sticker books on the side that I may use, as well as some Simply Gilded washi tape. I'm not quite for sure if I'll use the Stardust and the red silver bow washi tape, but I do plan to use this pale peach pink color with the copper Simply Gilded bow. So stay tuned. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I am going to go ahead and first start off with Monday, and I am going to utilize that Martin Luther King DIY sticker that I created. I did switch out the Simply Gilded washi tape for this Stardust washi tape. I love the blue and the purple with the silver foil in this, so I decided to use it as well. I thought it would lead into the red and blue scheme for Tuesday for Inauguration Day. And I love the size of the Martin Luther King sticker, so I'm excited about that. I went ahead and pulled out my memory, date, and holiday sticker book to grab some dates as well as the holiday for Martin Luther King Day, and I'm putting down the foil one. And yes, I'm using some of this washi tape. I'm trying to use all of my older washi tape, not washi tape, but whiteout. I'm trying to use all of my older whiteout that I have. And yeah, it's a struggle with this particular whiteout. So, but I still like the way it turned out. I basically white out the lines so that I can put the clear sticker down without it interfering the what the sticker is saying. And then I did write in the month of January, and I meant to actually write the day of the week, and so I'm going to come back and correct that. And I also put down like a label sticker, and I put quotes over top of notes because I wanted to write out like a quote from Dr. Martin Luther King, but I'll be changing that too. And so here on this page, I decided to try to play around with some writing, and I don't like it. Yeah, I will be changing that as well. But for right now, instead of getting stuck, I am going to just keep moving forward and placing down the stickers. I love this doll sticker from Goldmine and CoCo. She has on like a beautiful coat with some boots, and it's just really cute. I put like a hexagon on the back of her just to bring in some of that lavender purple, and I even used some paintings for this particular page. Now, this is again my first like spread for my daily planner, and so I think I am figuring out my style. So you'll see variations of everything right now. But the more I get used to it, I will have a particular style or rhythm. But right now, I'm just playing around with it. And so for Tuesday and Thursday, I decide to pull out another Stardust washi tape from Simply Gilded. This one has like a muted gray background with the foiled confetti that's really pretty. It's holographic. And I thought that this would be pretty because here's where I'm going to use that VP Kamala USA sticker kit from Goldmine and CoCo. And I figured because it had a lot of blues and reds in it, I want that to stand out more. And so the washi tape is real pretty, but I don't think it will clash or overwhelm the fact of that this is a Kamala Harris spread. So I absolutely love the variety that is in this sticker kit. We have the I am speaking quote that she is famous for during the debates. And then we also have her waving. And then we also have her with Joe Biden looking at each other, and it's that famous line when they find out that they were elected into their positions, and it was like, we did it, Joe. And so she has a couple of those quote stickers throughout here in different styles and sizes, so I plan to use both of those. There's a lot of elements in this particular kit. This is primarily like a kit that you can use for the week, but I'm using it for 2 days. And so trying not to overwhelm it with all of the different elements. I want it to be fun, celebratory, and festive, but just not a whole bunch of stickers. So trying to find that balance. I wanted to put that sticker with the little girl looking into the mirror and seeing Kamala Harris in the reflection, because that is a very real statement for a particularly women of color, and even at my age, it's just something so phenomenal. I think I said this in my other video, but I feel so blessed as an African American woman, a Black woman, to have seen what my ancestors have went through and fought for. I've had the privilege to see African American be elected into the position of president, and now into the position of vice president. And then I get to put on my women's cap and say the first vice president as a woman. So it's just a really exciting time for so many different reasons, but just to know, the history of suffering and oppression and just all the things we have to go through to get to this point. It's just like, wow. So I'm just excited to have used all the stickers, and I also included my Madam Vice President Kamala Harris for my also paper sticker sheets too. So I really like how those 2 pages turned out. And then here I decided to go ahead and use those 2 washi tapes that had the background like a peachy pink background with the bronze foiled bows. But I love the leopard print of this one washi tape, and I thought it would be a good play against this doll in her dress. And she has like on a variety of colors with leopard print in her dress. It looks like a sweater dress to me, and so I went ahead and used that leopard print washi tape. I made a boo-boo. And so what I did is I tried to camouflage it, and I basically made the washi tape like into a thin strip of washi tape above one of those boxes just to offset the mistake. And I also cut around the head of the doll so that it sort of stood out from the washi tape and didn't blend in. And then I just went ahead and added some of these stickers from the functional sticker book from Goldmine and CoCo. I'm really am trying to make for sure that I focus in on using all of my sticker books that I have. I have a growing collection, and I really need to make for sure I'm using them. So I'm using them in my journals, in my Bible journaling, my Bibles, my books. I'm making stuff, giving stuff. Not my new, but I love to shop my stash and see what it is that I have that I'm not using. But I like the stuff that I buy. I think I got some good stuff. And so it's an honor to find new homes for them, because after a while, it just gets overwhelming to have so much stuff just sitting around. And so I've really been going through a phase of decluttering. And so I'm trying to make for sure I go through my stash, shop my stash, and use what I have. So I've really been enjoying using a lot of my stuff and putting it on page. And then on this page, I used another Curry Girl doll, and I love that their outfits sort of complemented each other, and so I thought they really looked good next to each other. And then for the weekend, I brought back out the washi tape that I first used with the Martin Luther King Day spread. And actually, I didn't. This is a different one. This is not the confetti one. This is one that has like the holographic rainbow in the background with silver confetti dots and the holographic bow. And actually, this was a freebie in one of my orders that Simply Gilded provided to me. And at first I was like, because I remember seeing this one in the shop and it did not faze me at all, but I actually like it. It's really pretty. And I thought the dolls would be cute up against that. I just discovered that I labeled the days of the week wrong. And Larissa refused to start over from scratch. I didn't feel like that today. Uh, I don't do that a lot. Sometimes I will. I'll be like, ooh, I am not feeling this. Start over, pull everything up. But I just used my whiteout and redated everything, and it looks good to me. So back to this one. This should have been my Sunday spread. And I also had an extra doll sticker that I didn't realize because I was dating the days of the week wrong. So I already put washi tape down, but this one, that the second page is actually for Monday. So I'm just going with it. I don't want to pull up the washi tape and possibly tear the pages. So I like the way those turned out. Now going back to Monday and Tuesday, I did not like my writing on these pages at all. That is one thing that I really am focusing on this year, is the beautification of my writing. Um, and I remember when I used to be like in cheerleader, heavy in arts and craft, I used to do all that pretty writing and the bubble letters and 3D letters. And I'm like, come on, Larissa, where are those skills at? So I know it exists within me. I just really need to hone in and focus and just refresh myself with some techniques and practice and not just try to wing it. So, yeah. I have a book, a planner dedicated for that. So I might even show you guys that and put it on record here on channel so that I can refer back to it late this year and see my own personal growth. So Yeah, because right now I'm not feeling it. So what I did is I whited it out, pulled up some of the date stickers, and I am basically just using some of these hexagon stickers from the Colorful Shape Box sticker book from Happy Planner, because Goldmine and CoCo has a lot of hexagons within her layouts, and they are actually in shades of gray in the background on every page anyway. So I thought it would be cool to go ahead and just use that. And I put down new date stickers, and I just made it work, and I'm just done with it. So here is the end result. I do love how it turned out. Very pretty for my first week in my day-to-day planner. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this setup video, and I encourage you to hashtag use all your stickers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and until the next time, bye-bye.